Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Shruts.
This is Jojo. For
Yes.
once, we got the direction and all correct. कितने महीनों बाद, 5 महीने बाद, we finally get the directions correct.
People
Wow.
say this that it's very cute how Joe is looking to her right and
Yeah.
talking to
Yes.
Shruts.
Hi, Joe. How
Yeah.
are you? कैसी चल रही है life?
It's become such a subconscious thing. Now I can't even look at you on the screen. I just automatically look here and imagine you're sitting next to me. So I can't help it now.
One day, I would really like to know what is actually there. I want you to like click a picture and put it here just for fun's sake. I want to
Just
know.
just the empty room, literally, like it's all air. There's nothing.
I'm omnipresent. I am there.
Imagine my
That's hilarious.
visualizing abilities are so strong.
My
I see
God.
I see your face here. Actually, there's a Buddha painting on the wall.
Hologram.
So you're the
Yes,
Buddha.
that's me. Yes, that's me. That's
Literally,
me.
you're the Buddha. Actually, I'll take a picture of this Buddha painting and I'll
Yes,
put
you
it. I'll
must.
I'll put it
Yes,
on Insta, and that's exactly what I'm talking to when I'm imagining Shruti. So
that's me. That's hilarious.
it's fun. I'll put a
So,
collage of your face and the Buddha face. So look forward to that on my Insta, and also follow me there if you want to request a song, because I'm only looking at requests in my DMs now.
yeah, yeah.
Coming to this video.
आ, आज किसकी किसकी दुआ रंग लाई है किसके रिक्वेस्ट फाइनली एक्सेप्ट हो गई है जोजो
All the Talha Yunus fans, basically.
Yay! That's me also.
All of us. So it's
Yes.
continuing now, the sixth mixtape, and 69 jo bhi hai. Some people started laughing saying it's not 69, it's 6. So I don't know. Now you all make up your mind. Do a poll, fight, like reach a consensus, and then let me know. 6 hai ya 69 hai, jo bhi hai. So we are moving on to track 3.
हाँ, आम से मतलब रखो गुटलियां मत गिनो हाँ करेक्ट यस
Okay, executive producer Umair Khan, so Jokhe, music produced by DJ Skull, and mixed and mastered by Jokhe, written composed by Talha Yunus. Composed also, okay? Interesting.
Yay!
So
Come on, let's.
I'm a little
हाँ,
confused. If you guys know, then tell us. If you know, tell
हम्म,
me, because they
हम्म,
say music produced by, and then they say
हम्म.
composed by. So agar compose Talha Yunus ne kiya hai, पर म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूस्ड किसी और ने किया है, तो who has composed the song? I'm very
The
confused
person
about
who
this.
is जो लिखा है कि कंपोज सी म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन तो अलग होती है ना म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन हैज मेनी अदर लेयर्स व्हिच यू पुट टुगेदर you like composition of a song is different and when you are arranging the song with the composed music already then that's why arranging and composition करते हैं बहुत सारे लोग सेम करते हैं because if you've composed something it's easier to arrange it the way you've imagined it in your head
Yeah.
but I guess in this case it must be different so the music arranger must be different from composer usually people who write the lyrics also end up composing it because they imagine it in their head कि गाना ऐसा जाएगा कैसे होगा ऐसे होगा so yeah maybe that's why it's different
So yeah, no. So my thing is, I know, how arranging a
yeah
music,
you do
how
हाँ
arranging the music, mixing and mastering it is different
correct
from composing it and all of that. But
yeah
I'm just saying specifically in hip hop, where is that break of department? I
ah
would say, because
right
composing and music production overlaps in many ways.
correct it does
And in hip
I guess
hop,
the
it's the
beat
beat. That's yeah. So in hip
hmm
hop, it's mainly the beat that you're writing over, right? So
right
in this case, if you're saying music produced by DJ Skull and composed by Tala Yunus, who is the one who's made the beat for the song? Is my question.
hmm hello Mr.
Between
Yunus
the two
आपसे
of them.
बात करनी थी जरा
हाँ, तो
phone aside
वो थोड़ा explain कर दो, because I'm slightly confused about that. But
हाँ
ठीक
हाँ
है,
हाँ
let's get into the song.
चलो
It's called Feel.
feel
Emotional.
I'm ready to feel
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play.
आंखें बंद जरा feel ले This is real not a dream सड़कें तवील बातें छुपे जैसे कील जब सारे ही जज तो क्या लड़ेंगे वकील You know what I mean सिर्फ तेरा ही तो सीन है ज़माना खुद कर्ज लालच ना डर देखूं सिर्फ काले बादल आज भी आखिरत पे यकीन है कोई अमीर कोई गरीब कोई यतीम पर अमीर का ज़मीर देख खरीद के वो खा जाए गरीब के मुंह से नेवाला छीन के बस एक सवाल कैसे आती तुझे नींद बे नहीं सुनाने आया किससे मैं कौन जो जले पे नमक छिड़के परिंदे बचे कम दरिंदों के या ज्यादा फिर के हवस के भूखे कौन महफूज जब कानून फारिग ख्वाब टूटे सियासतदान झूठे मीडिया वाले न्यूज के भूखे सस्ते आर्टिस्ट व्यूज के भूखे I'm confused like Cupid the verse I wrote for Zen up close with every incident that's my intellect I'm never stupid I still don't give a fuck about the views eh करूँ अब बातें खुल के कब से था चुप मैं कौन सा कानून जब वर्दी के पीछे या मुजरिम छुपते बेगुनाह ठुकते खुले लुकते जब भी बोलूँ मैं ये सारे रहते चुप जैसे सूरज ढूंढे बादल जैसे डूबा ढूंढे साहिल वैसे पागल मैं म्यूजिक को लेके पर ये दुनिया जाहिल दिखावे के मसाइल ये करें वो जो लोग चाहे कंपटीशन से पूछूं जानी तू कहाँ है वो वहाँ भी नहीं जहाँ मैं जानी कल था लंबा सफर सबर का फल था निडर था और आज भी नहीं डरता सिर्फ अपने बाप के लिए तलाश भी पड़ता रैप गेम करन छोड़ दास मैं रैप करूं तेरी बेबी बोले बहुत फास्ट बहुत आग मेरे जलने वालों को आ रही मौत आज तू है मोहताज मेरे गानों का छापा है तूने बहुत बार मैं जैसे और तू रैप एस्कोबार आंखें बंद जरा फील ले This is real not a dream सड़कें तवील बातें छुपे जैसे कील जब सारे ही जज तो क्या लड़ेंगे वकील ये You know what I mean yeah सिर्फ तेरा ही तो सीन है ज़माना खुद कर्ज लालच ना डर देखूं सिर्फ काले बादल आज भी आखिरत पे यकीन है कोई अमीर कोई गरीब कोई यतीम पर अमीर का ज़मीर दे खरीद के वो खा जाए गरीब के मुंह से नेवाला छीन के बस एक सवाल कैसे आती तुझे नींद बे
Mm. Oh, see now again he's picked another topic and क्या लिखा है उस topic पे it's और ये उसी रात में उसी रात में ये भी लिखा है
ओ या मैं वो तो भूल गई थी यस
we have to keep remembering that एक ही रात में सब इन टॉपिक्स पे लिखा है
हाँ और इस गाने में कुछ भी वो हार्ट एक और वो वाली फील नहीं है
नहीं
जैसे
है
पिछले गाने में वो था ना कि वी वर डिस्कसिंग एज टू हाउ ब्रेकअप हुआ है या वैसे बिल्कुल हार्ट रेंचिंग वैसे टाइप का गाना है इसमें वो नहीं है बट इसमें सो मेनी अदर मुद्दास लाइक यू सेड इतने दूसरी बातों पे बात हो रही है
realities of the world पे
very real baat which kind of pushes you it's a kind of conversation we would have sitting in our living room chatting with our friends
Yeah.
and but it's been presented so beautifully with the wordplay which is every second word wo kaise wo especially jo chorus hai wo it was so beautiful like very nicely done like
I have to say at this point that he laughed he's like sab bane hue hain judge to kya kare vakil and then he goes ha
vakil bhi
that's his laugh I have to tell you I don't know if I told you but I saved Zala Urus's laugh as my notification sound on the phone.
Yes you did that's
I
amazing
had to whenever it is that he does the sarcastic laugh cracks
so
me
funny.
up so every time my phone buzzes I hear it and I laugh so here I'm going to play it for you
yes
did you hear that I
no
don't know if you can hear it okay,
put it closer to the mic
so it's called TY Laugh it's yeah so it's a yeah so every time I hear the on my phone I go yeah
that's really funny
when he was doing it in the song I was laughing on the inside but baatein hui thi real or serious kar raha tha I couldn't laugh out loud but that oh by the way that laugh apparently he does at the starting of most of his diss tracks and his subliminal all those
so
tracks.
that's like a jhanda from his side saying like his laugh is the give way that ab main
it's a warning it's a lalkar it's a warning it's all those things so wow kya laugh
nice
hai. But
nice
but yeah that aside I loved how he his sentences overlapped into the next bar so many times and the way he did that through the song was so beautiful that was
I was trying to when I was listening I was trying to think that what about their music their poetry their the way they present their songs. What is that one thing about them which touches us so much that हम एकदम सुन के ना बह जाते हैं उनकी गहराई के साथ? Because it's impossible that every song we listen to we feel like this. Like it's not
Because
natural. No, it's not. One would think that you someone can't be this consistent, but fact is that they are. Every time you listen to them, you just flow with it.
so I think I mean, for me personally, when I used to listen to songs, not hip hop, and I've been such a music enthusiast my whole life. For me, a
Yeah,
lot of it would always be the lines that were the deepest or that deeply resonated with me and that really expressed what I was feeling in a
yeah,
very unique, distinct, deep way. Those, and I
right.
have a book as a kid growing up. I have a book in which I used to write my favorite lines from songs. I used to just write
Mm,
lyrics and save
mm,
them as my favorite
mm.
lines, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
so I think a lot of people, not just me, relate so much to any artist who's able to express what they are thinking and feeling in the
yeah,
most hard hitting and
yeah,
emotional, even and deep, and all those ways.
yeah.
So that's what these guys do. Like,
But not everyone can do it.
not everyone can
While
do it.
many people can talk real, many people can express their own way, but
Mm,
it's the way they are so skilled that they will rhyme something and in a poetic way they'll
yeah,
speak what they want to speak, but
yeah.
yet usme kuch ek special baat hogi where you'll be like, oh my God, I'm a fan. Like, how did this person
Mm.
do this?
That's
Yeah,
that's where you can see their inspiration is not just the legends of rap and hip hop. Their inspiration is so many of the poets who've come before them, and they quote
correct,
enough
correct.
and more of them in their
Hote
songs.
rehte hain. Haan,
So
yeah,
you know
yeah,
how inspiring and touching Shairs and Shires and their works were back in the day. These guys are
yeah,
doing the same thing in their own way in the
correct.
genre of hip hop and rap, and that's very
Yeah,
unique to only them.
yes, yeah,
Other rappers, as great as and amazing as they may be lyrically and all of that, they have not had these influences. Everybody's influences are a
yeah.
mixture of different things. Nobody's influences will be exactly the same as the other.
Or
So
they're yet to reach there. You know that one line which was
mm,
there in this song where he said, I look and people, my competition not even there where I was yesterday. So it's a long way to go right now. In the
mm,
middle, there were
mm,
two lines which said this.
yeah,
So I agree. I absolutely agree. Everything you've spoken right now is also pointing exactly to that.
yeah.
So yeah, ऐसे
Because
नहीं कि they're
I've
just talking, अपनी खुद की बढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, सच्चाई भी है वो.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
the thing is that youngsters and the Talhas and they are so universally loved.
yeah,
Um, you can't not like their work. Whether you're a
correct,
fellow
correct.
artist or whether you're a listener, whether you're part of the audience, even and I've had viewers tell me this, they share their songs even with their parents, and even the parents appreciate the youngsters' music because
Yeah,
there is a
yeah,
certain depth to the lyrics. They're not just angry, at the world, expressing their
correct,
frustration with,
correct.
even though in
Yeah,
this song, for example, he's talking about the realities of the world and,
yeah,
the things that need to be called out. He's doing it in this deep, poetic, almost mature, sensible manner and usage of words that
yeah,
anyone, like if I play this for my parents, they will like it. They will be like,
yeah,
wow,
yeah.
okay, so you're not listening to, mindless music. Um, so
Yes, yes.
the appeal is so broad, basically, is what I'm saying.
I
Just
agree.
like the Shires that came before them and who they've clearly taken so much inspiration from. But yeah, yeah, lines there. Mohtaj and Mohtaj. Did you notice that?
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
this done so much beautiful stuff in the lines. So
Beautiful.
this mixtape just gets better. I Now the next one is a very highly requested one, number 4. It's 1 second. I remember because I was like, "Nahi, 4 Hi." It's called Hi. So,
Oh, so you should watch out for that one. That's the
yeah,
next one that
that's coming
is
next.
going to come. Next
4,
movie.
then
Mhm.
fifth one is called 6. Yeah, 69 jo bhi hai. Please clarify before we reach there. And the last one, the sixth track is called Throne. Oh, I'm seeing a Game of Thrones thumbnail. Game of Thrones throne behind him. So interesting. I'm
Except
excited.
वहां पे, I'm sure swords की जगह पे pens होंगे. Like one, like
No, it's
it'll be.
it's the throne.
अच्छा, वही है. अच्छा.
Good.
चलो, enough.
Next time, tell them, suggest. But we'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe, take care, live long and prosper.